niya, then i-reposition daw, tsaka biopsy po. Then, sa ano lang nga lang po, sa biopsy, nagkaroon po ng findings na meron daw pong acute rejection. Then, kinailangan pa po niyang mag-dialysis ulit kasi para matulungan po sana yung kidney niya. Dapat bibigyan na po siya ng anti-rejection. Kaso, nung June 1 po, 2007, nagkaroon po siya ng seizure. Bali, yung nanginginig po yung buong katawan niya, tsaka tumidirik-tirik nga po yung mata niya. Normally, is dapat nagigising po after ng seizure. Then, hindi naman sobrang dami. Kaso sa kanyang nangyari, nagkaroon po siya ng 7 times siya nag-seizure sa isang araw, kahit may gamot na pong binibigay sa kanya. Tapos na-ICU po siya noon. Then, after po niyang ma-ICU, dinadialysis rin po siya. Nung dinadialysis po siya, yung access po niya sa kamay, nagkaroon po ng problem na magapo, kaya kailangan din siyang operahan sa kamay niya. Yun naman po yung huling third operation niya para matanggal po yung sa kamay niya. Dapat, inaano na nga po ng doktor na bigyan siya ng anti-rejection kasi nga po para maagapan yung kidney niya. Kaso, meron na naman po silang nahanap na problem kung saan po may fluids naman po yung lungs niya. Kaya nag-undergo siya ng thoracentesis para matanggal po yung fluids niya sa lungs. Tapos po noon, nabigyan na, nakuhaan na rin po siya ng fluids. Akala po namin okay na din. Nabigyan na rin po siya ng anti-rejection na gamot. Kaso, yun nga lang po, yung pagkabigay ng anti-rejection, sabi, okay na yung kidney niya. Kaso ngayon, nagka-problem naman po siya sa paglalakad niya po. Hindi po siya ganun makalakad din kasi sobrang, ang tagal po niyang na-bedridden. Tsaka yung likod po niya, sumasakit ngayon. Currently talaga, sobrang sakit po talaga ng likod niya. Lahat po ng pain relievers, binibigay na po sa kanya kahit po naka-morphine na siya. Kaso nung nag-morphine po siya, nung last Monday lang po, nag-seizure ulit siya ng 2 times. Bali, in-stop po yung morphine sulfate niya kasi baka doon din daw po nagkukos. Kaso hanggang ngayon po, sobrang nasasaktan pa rin po siya sa likod niya. Kahit na nag-test na po siya ng MRI, X-ray, tsaka ultrasound, hindi rin po nila maintindihan kung anong naging problem po sa likod niya. Yun po yung inaalam din nila ngayon. Sorry, medyo magulo rin po yung po kasi kinakabahan po talaga. Tsaka, gusto rin po sana niya mag-record or magsulat para po sa inyo. Kaso hindi po niya magawa ngayon kasi every hour po sumasakit talaga yung likod niya. Hindi po, pagka naiibsan lang po yung sakit, doon lang po yung time na natutulog siya. So, hindi na po siya nakakuha ng time para magsulat. Pero gusto po niya, parating po yung sobrang thankful po na patuloy niyo daw pong pag-support sa kanya. Tsaka sa prayers daw po na pinaparating niyo po sa kanya. Yun na po. Thank you.
Thank you, Rochelle. So, repeat ko lang siya yung sister ni CJ, no?
Ni CJ.
Okay. So, you have heard yung mga conditions niya, no? How malala na talaga, no? First time
what CJ has been going through this year and the past few years.
Okay. Para sa akin, parang first time I heard about CJ's condition, usually kung may narinig ko yung sakit, parang, konti lang, no? Tapos, when I went to saw her, to see her, yun nga, nakita ko malala na nga talaga. Okay, so, I hope we can really support her, no, as a batch, and yung our fellow church members, okay, to support her. But now, siguro, let's talk about something about our batch, the Emeralds, no? Emeralds 2002.
So, what can you say? What can you tell us?
Ang daya ka, sa mo, una. Lagi sila talaga. Anyway, what do I remember about our batch? So one thing I really remember about it is yung pagka-naughty fun ng batch natin, okay?
Anong naughty fun?
Paano naughty fun? Okay? Nalala ko yung mga butas sa dingding ng Hope. Sino gumawa nun? Yung butas sa dingding ng Hope? Okay? Yung mga, ano pa ba? Yung mga air gun sa bintana ng Hope na may baghal na pellet. Kanino yun?
Ah, sino yun?
Sino yun? Si Mikey. Nag-amin na. Okay. Kaya ano pa ba? Yung fire extinguisher nung graduation. Okay?
Anong ginawa sa fire extinguisher?
Hindi mo ba alam na pumuti yung buong 4th floor ng high school nung graduation natin?
Talaga? Sino gumawa nun?
Secret namin yun. Okay. Okay. So after nun, dahil doon sa event na yun, napagalitan yung next na batch.
Takas kasi graduate.
Okay, so that's what I remember most about talagang we like having fun in a point na it's not even, pero fun pa rin. Those memories are such sobrang
Looking back,
no?
medyo
Looking back. Okay, how about you?
Ako, ano ba? Madami eh. Yung mga sports fest, yung mga sabayang pagpikas, yung mga CAD, diba? Yung mga madami.
Okay. Sport fest. Nako.
Oo, nice.
Okay, masarap na memory yan, sport fest, no? Okay, one thing more about our batch is, nandiyo nakita ko, is we have love within one another, for one another, no? Tuwing may umiiyak, especially nung mga retreat na nakita ko, yun nga, nakita ko, may mga kasama yung mga umiiyak-iyakan. Talagang, we are there to comfort one another. Although marami rin mga away-away, yet, love still prevails, no?
Yeah, above all.
Okay.
Love pa rin.
Well, yun nakita ko sa batch natin. So now, let us talk something about love, no? So now we are pleased to have with us Pastor, our pastor.
Dr. Unideson.
Okay, to speak about love, no? So why don't we give our gift and our hands to Dr. Unideson.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so glad to see all of you tonight. Okay, I've not seen you most of you for 6 years. Tama ba yun? Some of you are very, quite familiar faces. Some of you, maybe we have not, I've already forgotten your name. But anyway, that's what is important today is that I see a big turnout from your batch, and that is really good. You know, the most memorable time with your batch is actually the seniors retreat. Can you remember your seniors retreat? Nakalimutan nyo na. That was the most memorable time for me with your batch. And, every batch after you, I always quote Emerald Batch whenever I make a challenge to the next group of batch. Do you know that? Hindi niya alam? Yeah, I'm telling you, I always quote your batch because sa dami-dami ng seniors retreat na ginawa ng UECP in partnership with Hope, this batch is the most cooperative and most enjoyable group that we have ever organized. And that is true. Kaya lagi ko pinagmamalaki yun every batch, no? Kasi sobrang gulo talaga. Okay? Yung batch na natatanda ko na talagang masaya lahat, so close. And every time matandaan niyo ba yung sa gabi, doon tayo sa likod ng Kaliraya? Okay, everybody was gathered there, everybody was having fun. And that's what's really nice. I saw the unity, especially with this batch. 5 years has passed. And I know that all of you have already started your journey in the professional world. Some of you are still working. Some of you are still studying. Some of you have already faced the challenge of work. Okay, some of you are already earning by the millions. I do agree, no? Some of you are already successful wherever you are, and that's good. Okay, so maybe after you have graduated, you have left the four walls of Hope Christian High School and have never come to visit us. Who is, first time bumalik sa Hope? After 6, meron nga. Okay? Maybe some of you have visited us in your early years up during college time sa UECP.